Hello, I'm Doug DeWitt, Transfer Paper Product Manager here at Condé Systems, welcoming you to our next video in the series on Conde LaserFlex CL transfer paper. In our previous video, we told you how Conde LaserFlex CL differentiates from the Neenah Technoprint EZP. And in this video, we're going to teach you how to run Conde LaserFlex CL through your color laser printer or color laser copier and apply it to a cotton garment. Today, we're going to cover both the driver and printer settings that you need to use in order to get Conde LaserFlex CL to run through your printer or copier successfully. Once we get some transfers made, we're going to step over to the heat press and I'll go through the step-by-step instructions on applying Conde LaserFlex CL to a garment. After we get the shirts made, we'll cover the points in this video that you need to learn in order to be successful with this product. So let's go ahead and get started and talk about the driver and printer settings. Okay, when it comes to driver settings for running Conde LaserFlex CL through your particular printer or copier, understand that Conde LaserFlex CL is a 135 gram per square meter weight paper. So if your particular printer or copier has those designated settings for the media type, select 135 grams per square meter or the weight that is closest to that particular weight. If you don't have those settings listed out in your driver, then you probably want to go with a heavy or ultra heavy media weight setting as you're running Conde LaserFlex CL. One test that you can perform is when the paper comes out of the printer, take your fingertips and trace it over the print. If any toner comes off on your fingertips, you need to go to the next heaviest setting in your driver and try again. Now when it comes to your printer, you always want to load Conde LaserFlex CL from your bypass or multi-purpose paper tray. You do not want to run this paper from the cassette tray. Always make sure from the bypass or multi-purpose tray. And understand that this paper was designed to run through high-speed color laser printers or copiers. So it's perfectly fine to take multiple sheets loaded into your tray and produce multiple copies in one run. It's a fairly reliable paper. So now that we've covered those points, let me go ahead and print out a few transfers so we can go over to our heat press and make some shirts. Now that we have our transfers produced with Conde LaserFlex CL, let's cover the steps to apply this transfer paper to a garment. First thing that we're going to want to do is take a lint roller and lint roll the area that's going to be under the press. If any contaminants are on your garment and you drop the heat press, they will become a permanent part of the shirt. So now that we've removed all the nasties, we want to do a pre-press. Pre-pressing your garment usually takes about 10 to 15 seconds. We just want to make sure there is no moisture in the garment as we are trying to apply that transfer. I look for steam jetting out from the side. If I see no steam, that means my garment is dry and we should be ready to apply the transfer. Another accessory you might want to have is a pair of scissors to cut away any excess area of the paper. Because remember, Conde LaserFlex CL, like the Neenah Technoprint EZP, it's a solid film emulsion paper. So wherever you do not print, the film will show through. So you can trim away that excess film with a pair of scissors. If you don't have any, just grab them off of Ben's desk. But for demonstration purposes, I will go ahead and transfer the whole sheet onto this t-shirt. We're going to take our Conde LaserFlex CL transfer, position the image where we want it to appear, and now we're ready to bring our heat press down. We lock in the heat press. When applying Conde LaserFlex CL to a shirt, it's going to apply between 385 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Me personally, I like going with the 385 setting with a 100% cotton shirt to reduce the scorching. The dwell time is going to be about 25 to 30 seconds, and you want to use a heavy pressure. If you have an air-operated press, set it for about 80 to 100 psi. When our timer goes off, we want to lift the platen, we want to grab a corner and immediately start peeling the backing sheet because LaserFlex CL is a hot peel paper, like so. So now that we have the backing sheet removed, I'm going to stretch my garment from side to side so that I can reshape the design on the shirt and reduce the hand or feel of the Conde LaserFlex CL. Now, sometimes with Conde LaserFlex CL, as you're peeling away the backing sheet, you might notice that the transfer has a tendency to pucker in a couple of places as you're peeling that backing sheet away. Usually that happens when you're a little slow on the peel like I am. But don't panic, we can still fix this garment. All we have to do is a second press with either a silicone sheet or a Teflon sheet. The second press only requires about 10 seconds. Remember, if we cover this design with a silicone sheet and press it again, it's going to give us a matte finish. If we use a Teflon sheet, it's going to add a gloss or a shine to the design. So pick which one you want depending on the finished effect that you want for your shirt. But if you should ever mispeel a backing sheet, it's okay. Just simply give it a second press. Again, it's only a 10-second time when we're doing the second press, and the temperature stays the same, 385 degrees. After 10 seconds, we lift the press, remove either our silicone sheet or Teflon sheet, depending on how we want the finish. And once again, we're going to stretch the fabric from side to side so that we reduce the hand or feel on the garment. But now, we have our finished design on our cotton t-shirt. So let's summarize the points that you need to know about Conde LaserFlex CL in order to be successful with this product. This paper was designed for high-speed color laser printers and color laser copiers. It weighs 135 grams per square meter. So when it comes to your driver setting, set your media weight to correspond with that 135 grams per square meter. If you don't have that setting, try heavy or ultra heavy. Make sure the toner is properly bonded to the page. Make sure you feed the paper from the bypass or multi-purpose tray. When it comes to applying to a garment, it's going to apply at 385 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 to 30 seconds. And you want to turn up the pressure. If you had an air-operated press, you'd want that pressure somewhere between an 80 to 100 psi. Also remember, it is a hot peel backing sheet. So as soon as you lift your heat press, go ahead and peel away that backing sheet. Now, if you have any other questions regarding the paper or something we didn't cover in this video, don't hesitate to contact us directly at 1-800-826-6332, or you can visit our website at www.conde.com for more information. Just to head off one question at the pass, you might be wondering how we got the white and flesh tones to turn out so well on an ash gray t-shirt from a transfer paper that's a solid film emulsion. Well, you're just going to have to tune in to more episodes of Conde TV to find out, because we will reveal that answer in an upcoming product release that you're going to want to know about. But until then, I'm Doug DeWitt, Transfer Paper Product Manager here at Conde Systems. My time is up, and I thank you for yours.